Ever felt like time has slipped away, leaving you with regrets? Do you look back on your past and see years that seem wasted, filled with missed opportunities and unfulfilled dreams? If so, you're not alone. Many of us struggle with the weight of what could have been, the paths not taken and the goals left unachieved. But what if I told you that the universe is about to restore all those wasted years? This might sound too good to be true, but stay with me. We're about to explore how the cosmic forces at work in our lives can bring about incredible change and renewal. It's not about magical thinking or unrealistic expectations. Instead, we'll dive into the practical and spiritual aspects of personal growth that can lead to a profound sense of restoration. Let's start by acknowledging the struggles of the past. It's natural to feel a sense of loss when we think about time that seems misspent. Maybe you stayed in a job that didn't fulfill you, or you put off pursuing your passions. Perhaps relationships faltered, or you neglected your own well-being. These experiences can leave us feeling stuck, as if we're carrying a heavy burden of regret. But here's where we need to shift our perspective. What if those years weren't truly wasted? What if instead they were essential parts of your journey, shaping who you are today? Every setback, every disappointment, and every moment of doubt has contributed to your growth and resilience. They've taught you valuable lessons about yourself and the world around you. This is where the universe comes into play. There's a concept of cosmic timing that suggests everything happens when it's meant to. The opportunities that didn't work out before, the dreams that seemed out of reach, perhaps they weren't aligned with your path at that time. The universe may have been preparing you for something greater, something you weren't ready for until now. You might be wondering, how can I tell if the universe is about to restore my wasted years? Pay attention to the subtle shifts in your life. Are new opportunities appearing unexpectedly? Do you feel a sudden surge of energy or motivation? These could be signs that things are about to change in a big way. To prepare for this restoration, it's important to take some practical steps. Start by aligning yourself with positive energy. This doesn't mean ignoring reality or pretending everything is perfect. Instead, it's about cultivating a mindset that's open to possibilities. Let go of past regrets and the limitations you've placed on yourself. This can be challenging, but it's a crucial part of making space for new experiences and opportunities. The power of belief plays a significant role in this process. Your mindset has a profound influence on the outcomes in your life. If you believe that restoration is possible, you're more likely to recognize and act on the opportunities that come your way. This isn't about blind optimism, but rather a grounded trust in the process of personal growth. While it's important to trust in the universe's timing, this doesn't mean sitting back and waiting for things to happen. Taking inspired action is key. This involves finding a balance between patience and proactivity. Be ready to seize the right moments when they appear, but don't force things that aren't meant to be. Listen to your intuition and act on the opportunities that resonate with your true self. As you start to see positive changes, you may encounter doubt, both from yourself and others. It's natural to question whether things are really turning around, especially if you've experienced disappointment in the past. Remember that doubt is just a thought, not a fact. Stay committed to your path of renewal, even when it feels challenging. The beautiful thing about personal restoration is that it doesn't just affect you. As you grow and reclaim your potential, you create a ripple effect that touches the lives of those around you. Your renewed energy and purpose can inspire others to pursue their own paths of growth. This creates a positive cycle of opportunity and development that extends far beyond your individual experience. Maintaining momentum is crucial as you move forward. It's easy to get excited about change at first, but sustaining that energy over time can be challenging. Develop strategies to keep yourself moving forward. Set small, achievable goals that build towards your larger aspirations. Celebrate each step of progress, no matter how small it may seem. Speaking of celebration, it's vital to recognize how far you've come. Too often, we focus solely on where we want to be, forgetting to acknowledge the growth we've already achieved. Take time to reflect on your progress. Find joy in the present moment, even as you work towards future goals. This balance of gratitude for the now and excitement for what's to come is a powerful force for continued growth. As we approach the conclusion of our exploration, let's reinforce the message of hope and renewal. The universe is constantly in motion, bringing new opportunities and chances for growth. Your past experiences, even those that felt like wasted time, have prepared you for this moment of restoration. Stay open to life's possibilities and be ready to step into the fullness of your potential. Restoration isn't about erasing the past or pretending it didn't happen. It's about taking all that you've learned and experienced and using it as a foundation for something greater. The universe doesn't waste anything, not your struggles, not your setbacks, and certainly not your years of growth and learning. As you move forward, keep in mind that restoration is an ongoing process. It's not a single event, but a continuous unfolding of your potential. There will be challenges along the way, moments of doubt, and times when progress feels slow. These are all part of the journey. Embrace them as opportunities for further growth and learning. One of the most powerful aspects of this restoration process is the way it can change your relationship with time. Instead of seeing time as something that's been lost or wasted, you begin to view it as a valuable resource that's always working in your favor. Every moment becomes an opportunity for growth, learning, and positive change. This shift in perspective can have a profound impact on your daily life. You may find yourself approaching challenges with a new sense of confidence and curiosity. Problems that once seemed insurmountable now become interesting puzzles to solve. This doesn't mean life suddenly becomes easy, but your capacity to handle difficulties expands significantly. Another important aspect of this restoration process is the way it can heal old wounds. As you begin to see your past experiences in a new light, you may find that long-held regrets and resentments start to lose their power over you. This emotional healing is a crucial part of moving forward and creating space for new, positive experiences. It's also worth noting that this process of restoration often brings about a deeper connection with your authentic self. As you let go of old limitations and beliefs about what's possible, you may discover aspects of yourself that have been dormant or overlooked. This could lead to new passions, interests, or ways of expressing yourself that bring a greater sense of fulfillment and purpose to your life. The concept of the universe restoring wasted years doesn't mean that your past disappears or becomes irrelevant. Instead, it suggests that everything you've experienced can be transmuted into wisdom and strength. Your challenges become the very things that enable you to help others. Your setbacks become the foundation for your greatest comebacks, and your moments of doubt become the catalyst for unwavering faith in yourself. As you continue on this path of restoration, you may find that your definition of success begins to change. Instead of focusing solely on external achievements, you might start to value inner peace, genuine connections, and alignment with your true purpose more highly. This shift can bring a deep sense of satisfaction and contentment, even as you continue to strive and grow. It's important to remember that this process of restoration is unique for everyone. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, and your journey will be as individual as you are. Trust your own instincts and inner wisdom as you navigate this path. What feels right for someone else may not be the best approach for you, and that's perfectly okay. One of the most beautiful aspects of this restoration process is the way it can rekindle a sense of wonder and possibility in your life. As you begin to see evidence of positive change and renewal, you may find yourself becoming more open to new experiences and ideas. This curiosity and openness can lead to unexpected opportunities and connections that further support your growth and restoration. It's also worth considering how this process of restoration can impact your relationships. As you heal and grow, you may find that your interactions with others become more authentic and fulfilling. You might attract new people who resonate with your evolving energy, and existing relationships may deepen as you bring a more whole and healed version of yourself to them. Another important aspect of this restoration process is the development of resilience. As you work through past regrets and current challenges, You're building the emotional and mental strength to handle whatever life throws your way. This resilience becomes a valuable asset, allowing you to bounce back from setbacks more quickly and maintain your forward momentum. As we near the end of our exploration, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of self-compassion throughout this process. Be gentle with yourself as you navigate this journey of restoration. There will be ups and downs, moments of incredible progress, and times when you feel stuck. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a dear friend. The universe's timeline is not always aligned with our expectations. Sometimes the restoration we're hoping for takes longer than we'd like, or it comes in a form we didn't anticipate. Stay open to the possibilities and trust that everything is unfolding as it should, even if it doesn't match your initial vision. The idea that the universe is about to restore your wasted years is not about magical thinking or unrealistic expectations. It's about recognizing the potential for growth and renewal that exists in every moment. It's about reframing your past experiences as valuable lessons rather than wasted time. And most importantly, it's about opening yourself up to the possibilities that exist right now, in this very moment. As you move forward from here, carry with you the knowledge that you have the power to co-create your reality with the universe. Your past does not define you, it merely informs you. Your future's not set in stone, it's a canvas waiting for your unique brushstrokes. And your present? It's the most powerful tool you have for creating the life you desire. So as you close this video, take a moment to reflect on what restoration means to you. What areas of your life are you ready to reclaim? What dreams are you prepared to breathe new life into? The universe is ready to support you in this journey of renewal and growth. All you need to do is take that first step, believe in the possibility of restoration, and remain open to the wonders that await you. Remember, every ending is also a beginning. As you end this video, you're beginning a new chapter in your journey of personal growth and restoration. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and watch as the universe works its magic in restoring all your wasted years. Your time for renewal is now. Are you ready to step into it?